The MECCA POWER silent type diesel generator, equipped with the Perkins 404A 22G1 engine and a Leroy-Somer alternator, is a premium power solution designed to deliver reliable, efficient, and quiet performance. Engineered for both prime and standby applications, this generator is perfect for industries requiring dependable power with minimal noise impact. Designed with a soundproof, weather-resistant enclosure, it operates at noise levels as low as 65 to 75 decibels. Compact design, easy to transport and install. Choose MECCA POWER for high-quality, dependable energy solutions tailored to your needs.